Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kimmy and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a blind hem stitch. Here are the things that you will need: fabric, some pins, a pair of scissors, and your sewing machine. Let's go ahead and get started. I've already pressed my fabric with about an inch of seam allowance, as you can see. Now for this hem, what we will need to do is fold over the main fabric, not the seam allowance, back on itself to expose the serging on the edge of the seam allowance. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold and finger press it down, but you can use an iron to get the edge really crisp. If you're looking at a home sewing machine, you'll see that it comes with a huge variety of stitches, and the stitch that we're going to use today is called the blind hem stitch. It has a straight line that goes into a caret, then back into a straight line, and on my Singer Stylist machine it stitches 7 and 8 depending on the direction that you are sewing in. I'm going to line up my fabric so that the fold of the main body of fabric is just left of center. This is so that when the needle goes to do the caret, it doesn't take a huge bite out of the fold. We want the bite to be as small as possible so that the stitches are not super visible from the right side of the fabric. You'll be able to better see what I mean in a second. So this is the finished product. I redid my stitching because I caught too much fabric the first time around, and you can see that the second time around I was better at keeping just the tips of the carets on the fold. From the right side you will be able to see tiny little vertical lines, but they shouldn't be super visible if you are using a matching thread color. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this about fashion and sewing, then subscribe and ring that bell icon, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!